Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video I'm going to show you a solar smart system where you can bring leads and it will be automatically your responses, your AI chatbot, your assistant. You don't need to hire assistant. You have AI smart website where you can just list your solar services and your solar areas, and it will be automatically detect all things and it will be automatically reply to your customer as well. So in this whole solar smart system we have AI based smart websites funnel, and then we have backend automation. So when submit the leads, it will be automatically get start emails and SMS responses, feedback, and also we have chatbot that can work like assistant. Here we have it will be totally AI based, and AI will be reply A to Z will do AI. You don't need to do anything here. And also in backend we have reputation management system where you can manage your review system. You will get 5-star rating on your Google My Business, and you will get 5-star rating on your Facebook and any other platform like you have Trustpilot. Anywhere you have review system, you will get 5-star review. We have complete system when user give you a 5-star, it will be automatically post on your Google My Business, and if they give you a 2-star or 3-star, it will be automatically assigned to your team member, and where team member will be reach out to customer and ask why you're doing this and make happy your customer. And similarly we have database reactivations campaigns. We have missed call text back campaign. If someone do a missed call on your number and you're busy, it will be automatically reply to your numbers in some times, and in some days. It's up to you how you can set up your strategy. We have cold emailing system. You have already customer, you want to just outreach them, you want to get them more client, more customer, so it will be do cold emailing and cold SMS system as well. And we have database reactivation campaign as well, where we can just reactivate your customer. For example, you have customer, they came to your business 2 years ago. You have complete database, you can put into our system, and our system will be totally AI based system, will be automate and reactivate your offers and reactivate your services and send them emails and SMS and bring them back to your customer again. That's the whole system we have, and we have many more things as well. I will show you step by step. First of all, I will show you this website. This is totally AI based website. I can show you. And one more thing, you will get this whole snapshot, whole things free of cost. You need to just simply sign up 1 month free GoHighLevel with my affiliate link in description box below. And here you can see it's a complete system of website where we have amazing designs. You can customize it. It's a simply drag and drop, and you can make it more professional according to your requirements. You can change your colors, you can change images, you can change logo, everything according to you. It's a super easy. We will provide you Loom video tutorial if you can sign up with our affiliate link, or if you want to this whole system, it's a super easy. You can just book free consultation and we will give you this free of cost, or we will discuss how small amount we will charge if you are already have GoHighLevel account. Otherwise you can just sign up with our link and you will get all those things free of cost. And here we have our maintenance things, installation things, our team sections, and how we can work on it. It's have like stepwise explanations. And here we have emails and call system, and here we have clients feedback. Here we have brand we work. Here we have some article system, blog, where you can put blog and get rank your website and get more clients and more leads. Here we have footer, and we have a lot of things as well. And let me go back here and just see we have about us sections, and I will say that we will book discover call or booking call. It will be go into the booking page, and in booking page you will just jump on a booking page. Yeah, here you can see this is a booking page. You can book appointment, and after that we will jump into our other system, and automatically they can receive follow-ups. We already have booking system on backend as well, so you don't need to worry about the booking system. And we have D&D automations as well. We have contract based automations as well, where you can send contract and you will get all things at one place, so you don't need to worry about that. It's a complete AI based system for solar companies. You need to just buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, and you can just comment on this video and you can say I just sign up with your link, and I will just jump with you on, and I will give you this whole system, and it will be automatically implement on your system as well. And let me dive into backend. I will show you step by step. So first of all, we have this new lead system. For example, someone submit new leads, it will be came automatically here. And in form submission automation, I will show you few of automations, and all other are similar but with different logics. I will show you some of logics as well. So for example, form is submitted, and we will say that we will add tag form is submitted, and we will say that it's a new lead assigned to user. A user should be like you, your team member, whatever you have. We will send internal notification to your team and you as well. We will send them confirmation email, confirmation SMS, and we will wait for 1 day. Then we will send again emails and SMS. Similarly, third day, 7 day. If they are not responding, we will put them automatically follow up needed system. And we also have nurture campaign as well, in which I explain you how we can send them follow-ups and how we'll do if how we can do outreach them. And if the lead is qualified, leads first submit form, and is they qualified, we will put them here in this workflow, and where we can start sending them, asking for booking appointments, or we can send them code system, or we will send them invites, or we will send them construction contract. In this case, if invest, we will send internal notification, and if it's qualified. If not qualified, we just said start nurturing them again. And similarly, it's not qualified. And let me dive into another chatbot. Here we have human to AI. For example, I just go here and I will just start chatting. It will reply you as a AI chatbot, but it will be automatically reply. And in the meantime, once you start communication with AI, and we will send a notification with the automation, we will say a new lead is here. You can just reply. And live chat summary, we will say how many customers are landed on your chatbot and how many chat they did. We will track everything here. And we have, if we can get new leads from chat bot, we will put them here, and we will start sending them same follow-ups again until they not book appointment. Here we have follow-up system. There is a 3 workflow. One is for a newsletter. For example, I just show you here. Here is a newsletter system. If someone submit their details, so we'll start sending them newsletter. And there we have emails, cold emailing system, where we will cold outreach to our customer if we have prospects, and then we will do cold outreaching them. And you can see we will start sending them emails if they reply, if they not reply, if they open, if they not open. And similarly, we'll start send them follow up same again, and until they not reply, we will start sending them again and again. It will be totally up to you how you can do a manage and how you want to do these things according to your requirement. It's not a big deal. You can change it according to your requirement. It's a 10-day nurture system. We can make it 1 month, we can make a 2 month, we can make a 3 month, even we can make a 4 month as well. It's totally, and it's a new built-in system, and I will show you how it works and how we can explain it. I will it's under new builder and I will explain you in some time. I will explain you the system, how it's work. It's also for your nurture campaign system. And I just jump on another folder where we have appointment system. For example, someone book appointment, we will send them reminders before 1 day of meeting, before 10 hour of meeting, before 5 hour of meeting, before 1 hour of meeting, and we will sending them follow-ups until they not join the meeting. And similarly, if they are no show, if they are cancel meetings, then we can go with this one, and we will send them reminders accordingly, and we will say that hey, you can jump and you can rejoin the meetings. Here we have DBR, database reactivation, as I explained. You can just submit all your leads. You have previous leads, like 1 year ago customer worked with you, 2 year ago customer worked with you. You can just jump, you can add all those lead into this system, and system will be automatically start nurturing them until they not reply, until they are not be your customer again. They will start sending them follow-ups. They will book your leads again for appointments. Similarly, we have here DBR, and similarly we have social media automations. If someone comment on your Facebook, if someone comment on your Instagram, if someone comment on your TikTok, it will be reply will be automatically on your comment, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And you can see if someone comment on your message, and it will be automatically add tag and start sending them response, and start sending them internal notification and DM as well, inboxes as well, those customers. These sort of social media advanced automations, that are too good for your business. If you want to grow your leads, grow your business, that is too good. And also we have missed call text back. If someone do a call on your system or missed call on your system, if you're not available and your team member is not available, it will be automatically send them SMS, hey, say our team is busy, and you can send it again in some time, and then you will get your calls with our team members. Here we have DND. If customers say you don't need to disturb us, just simply put in this automation, add tag DND, it will be automatically here. There is a review system that I called reputation management system. If someone reply to your Google My Business, and it will be automatically redirect to if the review is 5-star, it will be automatically give you 5-star on your Google My Business. If it's a 2-star, then we will send internal notification to your team member, and we'll say that if this customer is not happy, you need to make happy, then they can leave a review. That's how this system works. This is for Facebook, this is for Google, this is for also for your Trustpilot as well. And the main thing is installation, solar installation. Basically, it's a contract system. If the deal is done, we will send contract, and if contract is signed, we will say that installation is progress, and we will schedule installations, and we will make all things live. These all things will be AI based. You don't need to do anything. It's totally AI based. Hope so you like my system. If you need this whole system, simply you need to just sign up GoHighLevel with my link in description box below. Just simply do one click and buy GoHighLevel, and you will get all those things free. And by the way, you will get 1 month GoHighLevel free as well. And if you already have GoHighLevel, no worry about that. You can simply jump on leadsflex.com, and I will show you here. Also, this website link in description box below as well. You can book free consultation, and I will set up these whole things for you. But I will charge little bit amount for that. But if you don't have GoHighLevel, you can just simply go with my affiliate link, and you will get this free of cost. Here you can see we have ton of reviews of our customer that are happy with us, and here is our authentications. We are a proper brand. We are serving GoHighLevel from last 5 years. Thank you so much for watching this video.